Magic starts with believing first. Part 1. The shoes nobody wanted. Lina was shy. She didn't talk much in class. She loved to draw, listen to music, and sit in the back of the room. She had moved to a new country 6 months ago. Everything felt new and scary. English was hard. People spoke fast. Sometimes she understood. Sometimes she didn't. She wanted to make friends, but she was afraid. One Saturday morning, Lina and her mom went to a secondhand store. They didn't have a lot of money, so they looked for good deals. While her mom looked at jackets, Lina wandered over to a shelf full of shoes. Old shoes, big shoes, dirty shoes, and ugly shoes. And then she saw them. A pair of colorful sneakers, red, yellow, and blue, with shiny silver laces. They looked like something a superhero would wear. Lina picked them up. They weren't too old. They were clean. And, wow, they were exactly her size. "Mom," she called, "can I try these?" Her mom smiled. "Of course, dear." Lina sat down, took off her old shoes, and slipped the new ones on. Click. It felt like something locked in place. The shoes fit perfectly. Her feet felt warm. Her chest felt light. She stood up. Boom. Music started playing in her head. Her body moved, her arms swung, and her feet started to dance right there in the middle of the store. "Lina," her mom laughed. "What are you doing?" "I don't know," Lina said, spinning. "But it feels good." A little girl nearby clapped. "Cool shoes." Lina grinned. She felt different, happy, brave. She looked down at the sneakers and whispered, "Are you magic?" Part 2. The shoes go to school. On Monday morning, Lina looked at the magic shoes sitting by her bed. She smiled. Usually, school made her feel nervous. Her stomach felt tight. Her hands got cold. But not today. She tied the shiny laces and stood up. Click. The shoes made a soft sound again, like they were saying, "Let's go." At school, people noticed right away. "Hey, nice shoes," said a tall boy near the lockers. Lina looked around. Was he talking to her? He was. Thanks," she said. Her voice came out louder than usual. It surprised her. In English class, her teacher asked a question. Usually, Lina stayed quiet. She didn't want to say the wrong thing. But today, her hand went up. "Yes, Lina?" the teacher said. Lina answered. Slowly, carefully. But her words came out clear. The class looked at her. No one laughed. Some kids nodded. "Great job, Lina," her teacher smiled. Lina sat back in her chair. Her heart beat fast, but in a good way. After school, she walked past the playground. A girl from her math class waved. "Lina, come play." Lina almost said no, but her shoes pulled her forward. She smiled. "Okay." They played soccer. Lina wasn't great, but she ran fast and kicked hard. She even scored 1 goal. Everyone cheered. "Lina's got power," someone shouted. Later, as she walked home, Lina looked down at her sneakers. "What's happening to me?" she asked. The shoes sparkled in the sunlight. Was it magic? Maybe. But maybe it was something else. Part 3. The day the shoes didn't work. The next morning, Lina jumped out of bed, ready to conquer the world again. She brushed her teeth, ate toast with honey, and grabbed her favorite hoodie. Then she sat down to put on the magic shoes. Right foot check. Left foot check. Tie the laces done. Stand up click. Nothing. No music. No warm feeling. No happy dancing in her chest. Lina looked down. "Are you tired?" She tried jumping, she tried spinning, she even said, "Let's go," out loud. But the shoes stayed quiet. Just normal shoes now. At school, things felt different. Her brain was slow. Her English felt heavy. She got one answer wrong in class and wanted to hide in her hoodie. At lunch, she sat alone. Her new friend from the playground wasn't there. A little voice in her head whispered, "Maybe the shoes weren't magic. Maybe you're just regular Lina again." She sighed. Her feet felt heavy. Her heart too. After school, she walked home slowly. On the sidewalk, she saw a small girl crying next to a bike. Her knee was bleeding. Lina stopped. "Are you okay?" The girl looked up. "I fell, and my mom's not here yet." Lina looked around. No one else was nearby. She sat beside the girl. "It's okay. I can wait with you." The girl sniffled. "Thanks." Lina smiled gently. "I fall a lot too, but I get back up. You will too." They waited 10 minutes. When the girl's mom arrived, she thanked Lina and called her an angel in sneakers. Lina waved goodbye. She didn't even notice that she was smiling. She looked down at her shoes. Still no music, no sparkle, but something inside her chest felt warm again. Part 4. Not magic, but something better. That night, Lina sat on her bedroom floor with the sneakers in front of her. She poked them, shook them, even looked under the insoles. "No batteries, no lights, no buttons," she said. She touched the silver laces. They were still shiny, but now they just looked normal. Maybe they were never magic, she whispered. She thought about the last 2 days. The dancing in the store, the bold answers in class, the soccer game, the smile on the little girl's face. It all started when she wore the shoes. But maybe the shoes didn't give her magic. Maybe they just helped her find it. She thought about what changed. She stood up taller. She spoke up more. She tried, even when she was scared. And today, when the shoes didn't work, she still helped someone. She still showed kindness. And that felt even better than a goal or a perfect answer in class. "Maybe the magic was me all along," Lina said softly. She grinned. "Okay, that sounds like a movie." Still, it felt true. She looked in the mirror. Same hoodie, same face, same Lina, but she felt different. Stronger, braver, warmer. Lina put the shoes back on. No music, no sparkle. But when she walked across the room, her steps felt sure. When she looked in the mirror, she didn't see shy Lina anymore. She saw someone who could be scared and strong. Someone who could mess up and try again. Someone with her own kind of magic. Part 5. The magic is still there. The next day, Lina walked into school wearing her colorful shoes. They still didn't glow. They still didn't play music. But now, she didn't expect them to. During English class, the teacher made an announcement. "Tomorrow we'll have short presentations. Each student will talk for 1 minute, in English." The room got quiet. Some students groaned. Lina's heart jumped. A minute? In front of everyone? Last week, she would have frozen. She might have asked to stay home. But now, she took a deep breath. "I can do this," she told herself. After school, she sat at her desk and wrote simple sentences. Just a few things about herself, drawings, her cat, her favorite food. She practiced in front of the mirror. The next day, her hands were a little sweaty. Her stomach felt weird. But when the teacher called her name, Lina stood up. Her shoes didn't sparkle, but her smile did. She walked to the front of the class, looked at her notes, and began. "Hi, I'm Lina. I moved here 6 months ago. I like art, music, and mango ice cream. My favorite animal is a fox, and I'm happy to be here." She finished. The class clapped. She walked back to her seat, and her friend whispered, "That was awesome." Lina felt like her heart was dancing. At home, she put the sneakers on the shelf. Not because she was done with them, but because she didn't need them anymore to feel brave. She had the magic inside her now. It was confidence. It was courage. And it was hers to keep. Always remember this from the story. The shoes weren't magic, but confidence? That's real magic hand. It's already inside you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss future videos that'll help you practice and level up your English.